Hello everyone, today I'm going to color this cute baby boy. I'm going to color his hair brown. The baby boy is holding a toothbrush and a toothpaste in his hand. Let's color his face now. The boy is going to brush his teeth. We should brush our teeth twice a day. How many times do you brush your teeth? The baby boy is wearing a cute night suit. I'm going to color it now. I'm going to color these circles with blue color. Let's color his clothes orange. The baby boy looks so happy. I'm going to color the toothpaste pink. Let's color the toothbrush purple. Look at his cute slippers. Let's color it yellow. He is a happy baby. Bye bye. See you next time.